Hey there, fellow investors. I am absolutely pumped to share some incredible financial news with you. We've witnessed a mind blowing AI fueled rally that turned into an everything rally, propelling the NASDAQ, which achieved its best first half since 1983. On top of that, the S&P 500 had its best performance in the first half since 2019. But that's not all. Apple, the tech titan itself, recently closed a trading day with a jaw-dropping $3 trillion market cap. It's an unprecedented milestone that no other company has ever reached. Sure, Apple hit that value before, but this time it closed there. Now let's jump right into what experts say about which stocks are the best ones to buy right now. First up, we have Supermicro, ticker symbol SMCI, which takes the crown as the number one stock in the computer hardware group. In fact, it tripled in value in 2023 alone. That's a staggering 203.6% surge, including a massive 133.9% jump in the second quarter. Now, earnings growth has been phenomenal, although it did slow down a bit to 5% in the latest quarter. But no worries, Supermicro stock broke out of a consolidation period back in February, and it hasn't looked back since. It even hit a record high of $270 on June 9th. Although shares pulled back to the 21-day line, they rebounded strongly last week, presenting a fantastic opportunity to either start or add to your Supermicro position. Next on our list is EV company Li Auto, ticker symbol LI. And hold on tight because this stock is shaking up the auto manufacturers group. Move over, Tesla, because LI stock is claiming the number one spot with a remarkable 55.8% surge in 2023. That's right, folks. Li Auto is outperforming the competition and making some serious moves. Now, let's talk about Duolingo, ticker symbol DUOL, which dominates the computer software education group. This stock is an absolute powerhouse, boasting a 54.5% increase this year. It's at the top of its game, and investors are taking notice. And how can we forget about MongoDB, ticker symbol MDB, leading the computer software database group? This stock is on fire, with a solid 52.6% gain year to date. It's definitely a force to be reckoned with in the tech world. Last but not least, we have Allegro Microsystems, ticker symbol ALGM, which claims the number one position in the electronic semiconductor fabless group. This group also includes the mighty NVIDIA, NVDA, and let me tell you, fabless chip makers are up an impressive 46.5% at mid-year. Now, let's quickly highlight some other top stocks in the computer hardware group. Keep an eye on Corsair Gaming, CRSR, IonQ, IONQ, Dell Technologies, DELL, and Logitech, LOGY. These companies are making waves in the industry and could offer some exciting investment opportunities. We also got news that the Supreme Court just struck down the Biden administration's plan to forgive up to $20,000 in student debt for a staggering 43 million eligible borrowers. But what does that mean for investors? Well, when student loan repayments resume in October, it will radically increase demand for student loan refinancing, which will greatly benefit companies such as SoFi Technologies, ticker symbol SOFI. But what's happening with Disney right now? Disney aims to cut billions off its costs by letting go of 7,000 employees, so investors in Disney's DIS stock should keep an eye on this development because it could create a buying opportunity. Now let's shift our focus to Amazon. Soon, you won't have to wonder whether that 5-star review for any item on Amazon is actually a genuine review. The FTC has proposed new rules, granting them the power to slap fines of up to $50,000 per fake review. The government is cracking down on businesses that buy and manipulate reviews, aiming to put an end to the estimated 40% of bogus online reviews. This is a huge win for the consumer and online shoppers. But hey, let's not forget about the little guys making waves this year. Cruise line operators like Carnival and Royal Caribbean have had an absolute blast, with Carnival stock up 136% year to date and Royal Caribbean stock up 113%. They were among the top gainers in the S&P 500 for the first half of the year, alongside industry giants like Nvidia, Meta, and Tesla. And don't sleep on airline stocks either. They are soaring high and presenting some incredible investing opportunities. Now on to some Twitter news that has caught my attention. Twitter has decided to block anyone who's not signed in from viewing tweets. Elon Musk, who is the genius behind Twitter, has also set daily limits on the number of posts users can see. Unverified users are capped at 1,000 posts, while paying verified users can enjoy up to 10,000. Musk claims this is to tackle excessive data scraping by organizations training their AI systems on Twitter conversations. Speaking of Musk, let's dive into some Tesla stock news. Tesla just delivered a record number of vehicles in the second quarter, surpassing all estimates. Those price cuts they made really paid off. In Q2 alone, Tesla delivered a staggering 466,140 vehicles, beating expectations of 448K. And get this, Tesla has now delivered a total of 4.54 million electric vehicles in its history. That's simply mind-boggling. But wait, there's more. Rivian, ticker symbol RIVN, which is another player in the EV market, delivered an impressive 12,640 vehicles in Q2, exceeding expectations. Now let's take a quick look at the June jobs report. It's been a relatively slow week for economic data, but here's the exciting part. Companies are still on the hiring grind. It's expected that around 225,000 new jobs were added last month. This is fantastic news for both the economy and the stock market. That's all for today. So if you want more stock market news updates so you can be informed, then subscribe to stay tuned for more thrilling financial updates. And as always, keep investing with confidence. Until next time, happy trading.